Hey guys, this is Jake from State Fun, and it's hot in here. That's better. If y'all haven't already seen where we took down a lot of the panel board here, put some braces in for the air conditioner, and got ready for a total remodel on this thing. You can check that video out down in the description below. The playlist for the entire camper remodel will also be down there. Make sure you check it out as well. Today though, we're gonna cut a hole and put the air conditioner in. We've got a air conditioner from my grandpa, and you'll see that in just a minute where we went and got that. We got a beat up camper here that my grandpa was given to for free. He's gonna use the motor and transmission out of it, and we're gonna steal the AC. But first, let's go see if it works. So here's the air conditioner. We're gonna see if it works or not. It doesn't want to turn. Well, the fan at least works. Whew. Here's the compressor. It might be cooling off now. Yeah, it's getting cooler now. Yep. I'm gonna start off by taking this casing off. Probably need to pull these off somehow. I bet you they just come forward. Let's see if crowbar will work. Wasp. Well, that's confidence inspiring. It's got 5 crimp connectors in a 3-inch space between 2 wires. I got 4 on this. That beats the heck out of using the hand tool. I didn't realize it was that long. Before I take that last one out, I should probably disconnect this little connector here. Hopefully without breaking it. There we go. Look at that, it comes out a whole lot easier now. Go ahead and put the caps back on here. Whew. I'll open my mouth up and do it this time. Well, we got a little bit of silicone here and a metal sheet. We're just gonna silicone around the edge and slap the sheet on. Try and keep the water out. There we go. Nice hot reflective surface. Now we gotta get it in. We're gonna cut a hole out right here and slap the air conditioner on. We're gonna use the oscillating tool to cut this hole out, and then I'll have to figure out how to seal it. There's sunlight coming in. Right there. Cut that out first so it's not in my way. A skylight. Well, that's freaky. Used to have an easy way to get on the roof. Wow, it's dirty. Man, I hope that's the right size. Foreshadowing? Hope not. That is scary looking. So, let's get the air conditioner on top. This will be fun. Oh man. I think my plan is to get it on the shorter portion of the roof right here first, and then get a ladder and shift it over to where it needs to go. Oh boy. Air conditioner on the roof. That actually wasn't bad. Got some sealant foam. It's got a little sticky pad on the back. So we'll peel that off, stick it to the tin on the roof of the camper. And then when we set the air conditioner down on top, when we bolt it down, it'll squish the foam and provide a nice watertight seal. That's a nice new cover for that air conditioner because the old one was cracked up. If you happen to be doing a Coleman air conditioner and you need a cover, we'll have this linked in the description below. And that's got nuts, I've got bolts. Well, the hole looks like it's the same size. I think it'll work. 4 washers, 4 bolts. Foam. Instructions on which way the foam goes. Fat side down, okay. How's that look? Alrighty, get these power tools down. Now let's shift that thing into place. I'm ready for this thing to be running. Need to cut a little bit of tin right there so the bolt will fit nicely. The other 2 bolts are right here, so that'll be fine. And this is the ducting for the air coming back to us. So to help out a little bit, we actually got shelf brackets that we're going to put in the corner here to help support this corner a little bit, because that's where I think the majority of the weight is being placed, since these aluminum angle arms don't go all the way out to the studs. So I think that'll help a lot. Let's get some power ran. So I got some 14-2 outdoor wire. It's a different brand than the indoor wire they had at Lowe's, and it was actually cheaper. And I figured, since outdoor wire is actually designed to handle more harsh environmental factors like temperature, moisture, chemicals, things like that, it'd probably be a good thing to have inside the house car, because it's not going to be in climate controlled areas all the time. It'll be sitting outside getting hot. It has the potential to get a little bit of moisture inside of it. I doubt there's going to be any chemicals, but you never know. So outdoor wire it is. We're going to run it from an electrical box that I've put in before all the way up to the air conditioner up here. Put this electrical box in. It's got a I think it's 10 gauge wire coming into it, feeding from a 30 amp connector, and it splits to 2 20 amp breakers. One breaker goes to all of the electrical outlets inside of the house car. The other one is specifically for the air conditioner. So we're going to hook up the air conditioner breaker now. So I'm going to go ahead and run this from the air conditioning to the box, because it'll be a lot easier to go down along the inside of the shelving over here than it would be to try and push it up. I'll drill a hole up in here to send the cable through as well. power plugged in. Let's see if it works. Alright, are we ready? Pressure kick on. Boy, howdy, it stinks. Feels pretty cool. Well, I guess we'll get the cover on, and then we'll be able to remodel the rest of this and some air conditioning. So we actually painted the cap for this, for the inside cover, just to give it a nice pure white look. I'll glue these control stickers back on with some super glue, and then we'll hang this up. We got an AC in the HouseCar. It's gonna make the remodel of this thing so much better. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow along. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Can I get a like for the air conditioner? I'll open my mouth up and do it this time. Oh look, a skylight. Oh man, fat side down, okay. Make sure y'all subscribe now, y'all.